Hi, I'm Lee Butler with the NC State Turf Diagnostics Lab. Today we're going to show you how to collect and submit samples from a home lawn for disease diagnosis. When you go out to take your sample, there are a couple things you want to consider. One, we prefer that samples be taken from the edge of the damage. So go out and cut your sample to where it's about half healthy and half damaged. You can use something like a shovel or a spade or a pocket knife to pull the sample out of the ground. We prefer they be about 4 inches by 4 inches in size. Anywhere from 2 to 4 samples is adequate for our purposes. So like I said, when you go out with your cutting device, center it over the damaged area, about half healthy, half damaged, and you want to take about a 4-inch square piece. You only want to go about as deep as the root system, because that's all we can look at for the diagnostic process. So something like this is ideal for diagnostics, right? So we've got about 4 inches by 4 inches, no deeper than the root system. So we took it from the area that was about half damaged and half healthy, and you can see that on this side of the plug is the healthy part, and then this was the diseased area or the symptomatic part of the lawn. When we go into the lab, this is where we're going to look for the fungi, right here on this margin where the two meet each other. We only need 1 to 2 of these for our purposes. Now that you've collected your samples, please wrap them completely in aluminum foil like you see here. This helps the sample stay intact during the shipping process. We prefer overnight shipping, but second day air is okay as well. Also, it's a good idea to consult with your local county extension office. They may be able to help you with your issues without even having to submit a sample. Even then, if you do submit samples, there is a discount by going through them first. Finally, we do require that you submit photos. Photos help us a lot in the diagnostic process. It allows us to see exactly what you're seeing. When you take these photos, take them from a standing height looking out across your lawn. This helps us see the symptom distribution in your lawn. In general, close-up photos looking straight down at the ground are not helpful in the diagnostic process. Finally, if you choose to submit these samples on your own without going through your local county extension office, you can visit us at the Plant Disease and Insect Clinic's website. There you'll find our online database. If you don't already have an account, it's very easy to set up. Here you can enter your information, you can upload your photos, you can also look at past samples, and not just turf samples. You can look at any sample you've ever submitted in the past. So if you've submitted samples from your garden or from your landscape, those will also be there under your account as well. If you have any questions about taking samples from your lawn for disease diagnostics, or if you have any questions in general about turfgrass disease management, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching.